completed already. Now I hope our blog application got some shape, because several use cases, I mean several case studies we did. How to add the comments section, how you can use the third-party applications we covered already, like a tag it application. Okay, how you can able to use. Next, mail sending functionality, pagination, mail sending functionality, pagination, like multiple cases, whatever we discussed, right? Okay, so now the next cinema, what I have to discuss for you people, right? Okay, the next cinema, what I have to discuss is it's a very simple terminology. Here, say this one a bit more helpful concept for you people, right? Okay, now 1 minute. When installing Ancona Python in local Django server will not work. How can Saiteja, it will work. Can you please check, is there any chance to have virtual environment? Something like there is one concept is there in Python, virtual environment. Can you please cross check there? Okay, just googling that. Next, breadcrumbs. I'm not sure. Maybe in the future it may come. As of now, I'm not sure about this concept. Yeah. So now just observe a bit carefully. Almost we completed. Almost we had some shape. We got our blog project. Now just let me cross check pymanage.py run server. Okay, like this. Run server like. Now observe, maybe in the next session I will explain about virtual environment. Ranjan, don't worry. So here, that's it. Just now let me send you a request. Let me send you a request for that 127 something like this. Yes. Okay, now almost tagging we implemented, pagination we implemented. Next, and after that, sir, post comment section we implemented, something like we covered everything, sir. Now, sir, up to from beginning onwards, sir, we concentrated only on first half, regarding only this page, right? But what about this part, second half? Regarding what about this second half? Here I want to add some extra functionality even in this place also. Okay, how we can able to do that? How we can able to do that? Yes, this part also we have to discuss. Okay, like next. One small thing Saiteja is asking, instead of hard coding tagging, we can't do it manually. No, have you observed, right? Instead of hard coding tagging means what? We didn't hard code anywhere. Yes, all these values are coming from database. Saiteja, we didn't hard code these tags. The things are coming dynamically from the database, where I added these tags from the database. Getting right? At the time of display, what we call at the time of publish post, okay, just we require to add the corresponding tags. That should be done manually. Or otherwise, still if you want, you can go for next level. What you can do, a list of tags we can prepare, a list of tags, maybe some 100 tags you can prepare in your blog post. If anywhere any word matches these words present in our tags list, now automatically those things will become tags. Like that we can write next level functionality like that also. Saiteja, getting right? Okay, we can do that, but maybe next level functionality, too much dynamic. Okay, sir, now what is the sir, up to this we covered. What is the next thing I have to take care? Have you remembered somewhere? Okay, post dot title. What is this one? What is this one? What is this syntax? Anyone, can you please tell what is this syntax? Sometimes we use CSRF underscore token, CSRF underscore token we use. Next, sometimes we use, do you know, sir, for each post in post list, something like for each post in post list, something like this. We took this code. Regarding we took this one. So do you know what all these things, right? These things are template tags. Regarding these things are template tags, correct, right? These are called template tags like this. Next, if I can take like this, post dot title, sir, like lower or upper, something like I took, sir, upper like. Can you please tell what is this one? This one is called filter template filters concept. Somewhere we covered how to create our own filters. Have you remember, right? How to create our own filters concept we discussed at somewhere. Same way, how to create our own template tags, how to create our own template tags, my own template tag. I want to write, sir. Okay, I don't want use this one, I don't want to use this, my own template tag. I want to use something like okay, durga tag, like this I'm taking, sir. Automatically, whenever we are taking like this, it is the responsible to do some functionality. Even it is possible to create our own template tags also. Okay, how we can able to define our own template tags and how we can use in our block application, that part I will discuss. Such type of thing is called custom template tags. Custom template tags are getting, such type of things are by default considered as what? Custom template tags, like this, right? Okay, so now the terminology is the how you can able to define our own template tags. Our own template tags are there, sir. Just a very simple, sir, to define our own template tags. So sometimes what will happen here, predefined tags may not fulfill our requirement. When predefined tags may not fulfill our requirement, okay, then we can define our own template tag. Suppose my requirement is very simple, sir. I want to display post.title. Can you please tell by using which template tag we can able to take? Yes, post.title, like this we can able to take. Now my target is I want to display the most commented posts. I want to know how many published posts are there. So to display the number of published posts, may not have predefined template tag. Predefined template tags are applicable until up to certain limit only. So to meet my programming requirement, so to fulfill our programming requirement, so predefined template tag, if it is not available, then we can define our own template tag, which is nothing but what? Custom template tags. Is it clear, right? Next, so how to define sir custom template tags? Here three utility functions are available to define custom template tags. Three utility functions are available to define template tags. The first one, sir, can you please observe? Simple underscore tag. Sir, observe how to use, how to implement, that part I will take care. What is the first one? Can you please observe? What is the first one, sir? Simple tag. Simple tag. Second one, sir, simple tag. Second one, sir, inclusion tag. Simple tag, inclusion tag. Simple tag, inclusion tag. Third one, sir, third one we require to take care, okay, is assignment tag. Okay, like so total how many tags are available? Okay, simple tag is available, inclusion tag is available, and then assignment tag is also available, right? So total how many tags are there, sir? Three tags are available, right? Okay, simple tag. So what this simple tag is going to do, that when we should go for simple tag, when we should go for simple tags are very simple. Perform some processing and returns a string. Perform some processing and returns a string. So if you want to perform some processing and returns a string, then happily we can go for simple tag utility function while defining our custom templates, right? How you can, that part I will take care, don't worry, sir. So second one, inclusion tag. The name itself indicates, have you observed, right? So what it means? What it means? Perform some processing, some processing, and returns a rendered template. Returns a rendered template. Returns a rendered template means, sir, just do you know it is going to provide some HTML code. It is going to provide some template response. Wherever this response is required, happily you can use template tag. Automatically this response will be included in the current page response. Okay, like inclusion tag. Okay, like this one, sir. What is the last one? Can you please observe the name itself? Perform some processing and returns a string itself is a simple tag. Next, perform some processing and returns a rendered template is the second one, sir. Next, third one, assignment tag. So perform some processing, and assign the result to the specified variable, and assign the result to the variable in the context, in the context, so that variable anywhere happily we are allowed to use. Have you observed? Assign the result to a variable in the context, so that happily wherever that result is required we can able to use this. But anyway, just aware the words once we are trying to implement, then you people can get much clarity. Don't worry about that. Up to this, any doubt? Please confirm. Everyone in the position to understand, just aware the terminology. Maybe slowly you people can able to get much clearly, right? So total, simple tag, inclusion tag, and then third one, assignment tag. Simple tag, inclusion tag, and then assignment tag. Simple tag, perform some processing and returns a string. Sir, inclusion tag, perform some processing and returns a rendered template. Sir, assignment tag, perform some processing and assign the result to the variable in the context. That's all right. Sir, now, okay, well, how you can able to use, right? Very simple, sir. If you want to create custom template, what is the way? How to create custom template tag? Sir, just anyway, just observe that. Very simple, sir. Here, what is our project name? Anyone, can you please tell? What is our project name? Ray, respond. Blog project. Our project name, blog project. In that, what is our application name? Yeah, sir, this is the project name. In that application name, blog itself is the application name. So blog project, and then blog itself is the application name. So inside our application, we have to create a separate folder. Observe that, sir. Custom template tags are always live inside the application only. Inside application folder. Okay, we have to create one folder named with the template tags. Are you getting? One folder we have to create named with the template tags. It is the name is fixed or any name we can use? Can you please tell? If the name is fixed name or any name we can use? Fixed name. Remember that you should not. Template tags. It is the fixed name. Remember that. Okay. Now, what I have to take? Step number 1. Okay. Inside this is the first one. Create a folder inside our application. In that folder, compulsory we require to create _init _.py. Regarding _init _.py file. So what it means, what it's going to do is it will treat this folder as Python package. Okay, of course it is empty file. Somewhere we covered already in our core Python sessions. Okay, if you want to consider any folder as a Python package, compulsory we require to take _init _.py. Okay, well, so next what I have to take care, and in addition to this you can take some Python file. Okay, blog underscore tags dot py. I'm taking any name you can take, no problem at all. Here it can be any name, no issue at all. In this file you have to define, in this file we require to define our custom template tags. Remember that functionality where we have to define, sir, in this we require to define our custom template tags. So this is small extra work you have to take care. Very easy, sir. I don't think you people are going to get in our application folder, create one folder named with the template tags. In that one empty file you can take, under then one Python file. Inside that Python file, inside that Python file, you have to write the code, right? Okay, so how to write code, what code I have to write, that part I will take care. First, let me do this arrangement, right? Sir, blog, right click, new folder. Right click, new folder. What is the folder name? I forgot the name. Anyone, can you please guide? I forgot the name. What is the folder name? Good. Template tags. Regarding template tags like this I'm taking. Inside the template tags, I have to create one file named with underscore init underscore dot py. We have to take. Next, inside this, we have to take one more Python file, blog underscore tags dot py. We have to take care. Okay, blogs underscore tags dot py. Okay, that's all. So usually template tags always within the application only. Okay, remember, if you have different applications, obviously for every application you require to take template tags folder inside that application session. Okay, well, what is the next thing I have to take care, sir? Sir, this is empty file we are creating, that's why we have to do. So now my job is how many utility functions are there? How many utility functions are there to define custom, custom template tags? 3. What is the first one? Simple tag, inclusion tag, assignment tag. Simple tag will do some processing, returns a string or returns a value. Need not be string, returns a value like. So inclusion tag performs some processing and returns a rendered template. Next up, perform some processing and assign the result to a variable in the context like this, right? Now what I want to take, usage of simple tag to return number of posts published. Sir, I want to display the number of posts published. So by using simple tag, how to define our own template tag? Very simple, sir. Here what I'm going to take care here is very simple, sir. DEF, I'm taking DEF. Okay, total posts. Regarding DEF, total posts. Okay, like, sir, how I can get a total posts? Return, just observe that carefully. Return post dot objects dot count. Okay, that's all. It is doing some processing and return some value. Okay, like, but make sure when this function acts as template like. Sir, here you are using post model at the top compulsory from blog dot models import post like this we have to take. Next, when this function acts as template tag, our own template tag, compulsory you have to register with the template library. You require to register with the template library. For that, what code we have to take? From Django import template. From Django import template. Boss, I want to define my own template tags. That's why Django. Next, register is equal to template dot library template dot library. I'm creating an object. Sir, observe. So I want to define my own template. That's fine. So first import template. By using that, can you please library? By using this register variable, you can register this function as a template tag. How you can able to do that? At the rate register. At the rate register dot simple tag. Are you getting? Dot simple tag, because just simply it is doing some processing and return some value at the rate just a simple tag. That's all. Friends, are you facing any difficulty to understand this code? Please. Sir, do you know filters also? Filters also we covered. Even template filters also more or less the same terminology only. If you can able to recollect, custom template filters also same terminology only. Okay, that's all this is. But now the problem is how you can able to call. How you can able to call. So now can you please tell what is the name of the template tag? Now the name of the template tag will become this is the total post. Okay, if you don't want this name, if you want to define your own name, yes, there is a possibility is there. We can map this original name with our call name, some dummy name also. We can able to do that. Don't worry, sir. Okay, so that's it. Next, what I want to take here is I want to display. I want to display the total number of published posts up to today. Somewhere I have to display. Where I want to display is here in our yet this place I want to display, sir. Yet here yet this place I want to display total number of published posts 6. If tomorrow 7th one is coming, then 7, next 8, something like here I want to display that. Okay, let me, where this functionality is available, can you please tell which template file this functionality is available? Base.html. Have you remembered, right? Have you remembered? Base.html. Okay, templates in that blog base.html. In the base.html, first half talks about content. Second half talks about sidebar. Are you getting? Second half talks about sidebar like this, right? Here this is we have. Next, there is one small twist is there. What is the twist is? Where your template tags are available? Can you please tell in which file your template tag is available? Blog underscore tags.py. Can you please tell what is the name? What is the name of this file? What is the name of this file? Blog underscore tags.py. Regarding this is the name. So in our template file at the top we require to write, okay, percentage load blog underscore tags like this we have to write, sir. Okay, so just the name of the file where we define our template tags. Okay, well, now all the template tags related to from this by default will be available. Okay, like next, sir, here Durga's blog, here you can see Python updations, something like I'm taking. Here you can see Python updations. Below that I want to take below that I want to take the total number of published posts up to today. If you want, let me replace this one. It's a need not be Python updations. Just the total number of published posts up to today. Published posts, okay, up to today is good, sir. Can you please tell what is the way, sir? Very simple, sir. Here just I'm taking percentage. Here template tag we have to take. What is the name of the function we have? Total posts. It will become name of the template tag. Okay, it will become name of the template tag. That's all. How beautiful. regarding total posts. That's it. Now sir, my own template tag which is the responsible to return the number of published posts, the number of published posts. That's all. It is sir, simple. It is going to be there. Okay, now let me cross check. Let me start the server is already in the starting state. Safe side. Let me restart the server. Okay, well, let me send the request. Can you please cross check the total number of published reports up to today? Up to today, regarding the 6. The total number of published reports up to today is how many posts are there, sir? 6. In every page, 2. How many such type of pages are there, sir? 1 of 3. 3. Sir, observe 4. Next 6. That's our total 6 are there. Of course, I will publish 7th one. Then 7 is going to come. It is the dynamic value. It is not hard coded value. It is coming from dynamic value, right? Now I want to take the 6 not that much good display style. What I want to take is just a span tag I'm taking, sir. Span tag I'm taking. Inline styling like this. A span tag I'm taking. Span like this. Okay, here for span what I'm taking, id is equal to, sir, pn, post number, like this. Post p count, like this I'm taking. Anything, sir. So p count, like this I'm taking. Now let me go for p count, where I have to define inside css file. Let me go for p count as p count. Okay, post count. Like next font size I'm taking. Font size some 40 pixel, some 40 pixel. Next font color I'm taking, sir, yellow color. Yellow color I'm taking, sir. Next font width, font weight I'm taking. Font weight, just a font weight I'm taking, sir. Bold or something, like we can able to take bold. Okay, well, sir, p count like this I'm taking, sir. Now observe a bit carefully. It's not reflecting. Regarding, it's not reflecting. Maybe I didn't save, or otherwise control F5. Perfect. Getting right. The total number of blog posts is 6. Something like within the box you can take, or like you can able to take. Don't worry, sir. Just later we can do some attractive styling like this. So total how many number of posts are there? Can you please observe as of now? 6. Okay, this is what you people should aware, right? Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Any doubt up to this? How to define our own template tag? This is the template file, Shashank. This is the template file, only 2 lines. At the top, this is the line, file name we have to use, and then here just I'm trying to use just our function name, whatever function is there, like this, right? Okay, now one minute, sir. I don't want to use same name. I want to use my own name. Then name is equal to, you can define your own name, no problem at all, sir. Sir, my tag, like this I'm taking, sir. Name is equal to my tag, like this I'm taking. Now in the template file you require to use my tag. Okay, my tag, like this you require to use. Okay, my tag, like you can able to take that. Clear, right? Okay, now let me cross check, is it going to be reflected or not? Is it going to be reflected or not? Sir, my tag. Okay, like this, perfect. So just observe carefully, sir. I'm taking name is equal to my tag. Name is equal to my tag. My tag, like this I'm taking inside base.html. So here my tag. Now onwards you can call my tag. So call name is the different, original name is the different. So both options are there. Clear? Sir, up to this we use which one? Up to this we use which one? Simple tag. Simple tag to do some processing and return some value. To do some processing and return some value. This is about simple tag, sir. Next, I want to take. I want to use inclusion tag. I want to use inclusion tag. Inclusion tag. So usage of inclusion tag. Inclusion tag to display latest posts. To display latest posts. Usage of inclusion tag to display latest posts. Regarding I want to display latest posts. How we can able to do that? This is the very important, sir. Okay, sir, what I'm trying to take here is same functionality. Nothing will be there. Nothing will be there, sir. Okay, same functionality we have to take. But only thing is inclusion tag performs some processing and returns a rendered template. Are getting perform some processing and return a rendered template like this, right? Okay. Now what it means? What it means? It is going to provide response in the form of template, and wherever that response is required, we can just use include tag. Automatically that response will come. What it means? Here see this one, sir. Sir, inside the blog post, sir, same tags file only, blog tags file only. I'm taking here, just observe def show latest posts. Show latest posts, like this I'm taking, sir. Show latest posts. Okay, this is my function I'm taking, sir. Show latest posts. Sir, how I can get the latest post is latest posts is equal to latest posts is equal to post dot objects dot order by post dot objects dot order by. 1 minute, I will add inclusion tag, all those things, don't worry. Post dot objects dot order by. Okay, can you please tell publish? If I use the word publish based on publish, if I can go to models.py, if I can go to models.py file, models.py file, here just observe, for every post publisher date by default will be there. So publisher, if I can take publisher default ascending order means so old to new, but latest means what? New to old. Latest means what? New to old. That's why. So what I have to take, sir? Minus. Sir, are you in the position to understand? Django ORM somewhere we covered. Minus. Okay, like followed by, sir, how many posts you want? It is going to provide all posts, all posts it is going to provide, but I don't want all, sir. Only top 3 I want. 3. Okay, so 0 0 1 2 slice operator, right? It's a list. In this list only 3 I want. In this list only 3, the most recent post 3 I want. Sir, I want to specify how many number, 5 6 and so on. No problem. Here even if you want, you can pass argument also. That part I will take care. Now do you know, sir, this is okay? Well, now return what I require to take care. Here just observe very carefully, sir. and then return, sir, here latest post, latest latest post, return latest post is latest post, like this. Context object I am returning. So to which template file I have to return? To which template file I have to return? So that thing we have to specify here. Okay. At the rate register. At the rate register dot which tag it is? Inclusion tag. Which tag it is? Inclusion tag. Inclusion tag. In the inclusion, where you want to include this one. It is the inclusion tag where you have to include this one. Okay. Sir, in the blog application, in the blog folder, there is a latest post. Okay. 123.html, like this I'm taking, sir. Now, can you please think a bit very special care? Can you please take a bit special care? Observe that. Simple tag, what is going to take? And sir, this inclusion tag, what it's going to take care? Simple tag simply returns the value, maybe count value, something like this. But inclusion tag is going to return rendered template. The response will be added to this template file. Wherever this response is required, simply we can able to include wherever it is required. That part I will take care. Don't worry, sir. Compulsory we have to create this file. Where, sir? In the template blog. In the template blog. Okay. In the template blog, new file. What is the file name, sir? Dot latest post 123.html. Okay. Well, in this, what code we have to take? What code we have to take? Yeah, very simple, sir. UL. I'm taking just UL. Here just it is just not required to take HTML complete, because this one we are going to include somewhere else. That's why just only the required tags are enough. Okay. Now here, do you know which context object, which attribute is coming? Latest post is coming. Regarding which attribute is coming? Latest post is coming to this file. That's why here, can I use the word for? Can I use the word for every post in latest post? For every post in latest post, latest post, what I have to take here is li just post dot title. Okay, just observe the latest post title I want to display. Latest post title I'm going to display. Okay. Well, now here just I'm taking end of. That's all. Think a bit very carefully about this one. So for each post present in the latest post, it is going to print the post dot title. That's all, sir. It's going to print only title. That's it. Okay. Now where this code is required? Inside base.html. Inside base.html. Okay. After this, I want to take latest post. I want to take latest post. In this place, I want latest post, like this, right? Okay. Well, what my job is, let me open base.html file. In the base.html, okay, number of tags I displayed h3. I'm taking latest posts, latest posts, like this I'm taking. Now I have to include, sir, like this. Sir, how I can able to get, sir? Can you please observe that? Can you please observe a bit very carefully about this one, sir? 1 minute. Base.html. What is the file name? Can you please confirm what is the file name? This is the template file name. This is the template file name. Template file name. Correct, right? Template file name. Next, in the blog, what is this one? Can you please tell? Show latest posts. Regarding what is the function name? Show latest posts. It is the template tag name. It is the template tag name. Show latest posts. It is the template tag name. Now let me go for here just the percentage. Okay, well, now I have to take show latest posts. Show latest posts. That's all. Show latest posts. Like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, now what will happen? Okay, whenever we are taking this template file, whenever we are taking this template tag, now immediately in this it is going to return latest post 123.html. In that whatever response is there, this template response will be included in this placement, will be included in this place. That's what. Are you getting? So this place is replaced with the, can you please tell, this one is replaced with the template response. Are you getting? Template file response. Which template file response? Latest post 123.html. Okay, like now take very special care about this one, sir. Let me refresh. Wonderful, man. Wonderful. Python importance, data science career growth, Django life in future. These are the three latest posts. Sir, I want 4. I want 4. I want 5. Okay, I want 4. I want 5. Anywhere, something like that. Yes, Vaishnav, you can use this template tag anywhere within our blog application. Anywhere within our blog application. In any template file you can use. No problem at all. That's the biggest advantage. This is something like add-on plugin. Wherever latest post you want, there just use this template tag. Automatically it is going to display the template tags. Correct? Getting right? Okay, well, sir, I don't want 3, sir. I want 4. Sir, I want 4. I want 4. What you can take? Can you please tell if you want 4? What you have to specify here? Like this. Sir, I don't want a hard code. I don't want a hard code. Then there is a way, sir. What you can take is count is equal to 3. I'm taking, sir. So if you are not specifying count, default value is the 3. If you specify your count value, then the count will be there. Okay. This is even you can pass argument also. Default value for count is the 3, sir. Default value for count is the 3, sir. Okay, well, but if you don't want 3, if you want, you can specify 4. I want 5. I want 10. I want something like this, right? Sir, now in the base.html, okay, sir, here in the base show latest posts space. How many posts you require? 4 I want. Just 4 I want. Then automatically count value will become 4. Count value will become 4. Count value will become 4. So 0 to 4 means 4 posts by default is going to be considered automatically. Now have a look once. 4th one is coming or not? Okay, sir, I'm taking in the base.html. I don't want 4, sir. I want 100. Don't worry, 100 is not there. Slice operator never going to raise any error until availability only it's going to take. So total 6 are available, I hope. Now it's going to take 6. That is the biggest advantage of slice operator. Slice operator never going to raise any error. Index error, it won't rise. If 100 are there, it's going to come. If 100 is not there, until whatever available, it's going to come, sir. That's it. This is. Anyway, I don't want, if I'm not passing anything, just the 4 I'm passing, then only 4 posts are going to come. Okay, well, good. Up to this, acceptable. Now my question is, there is one small thing is there. Can you please tell what is this one? Latest post, latest post, latest post, latest post, like this, right? So just a display title, what is the use? What is the use? If I click this one, automatically the control automatically it should, this post will be displayed. Are you getting? So it should be hyperlinks. It should be hyperlinks. Then there is a use. Just a display. What is the use of that? My mouse is always, if I click this one, automatically it has to display. It has to display that page. Okay. If you know the title, how to display, if you know the title, how to display the corresponding post. Do you know? Here we have, this is the title. This is the title. Have you remembered, right? This is the title. This is the title. If I can take, if I want to define hyperlink for this title, are you getting? I want to define hyperlink for this title. Hyperlink already there in the post list .html. Okay, where post list .html. Post list .html. Can you please observe that? Boss. Post title. Post title. This is a hyperlink. Are you getting right? This is the hyperlink. So post.get absolute URL automatically get absolute URL is going to define the details page. Already we covered post details page in the last sessions. Why don't you copy paste this one in the base.html? Okay, not in base.html, here which is the responsible to display. Okay, like what I'm trying to take here is let me href. Here h2 is not required, h2 is not required. That's all. Are you getting? Ahref post get a post dot title hyperlink I'm taking, sir. Now here including title, define hyperlink also. That's all. Now just observe that how beautiful it is. Yeah, friends. Now automatically, can you please observe that it will goes to automatically. If I can click this one, then it's going to come to the Django Life in Future. If I can click this one, it's going to come Python. If I can click India software industry, so Python importance, if you can. So if I add one more post, okay, here 127/admin Durga, everything is the dynamic. Now observe Durga 1 2 3. Okay, posts, yard post. Okay, post title. Can you please tell here Telang 2019 India elections. Okay, like this I'm taking. Other, maybe you require to choose. Okay, something like a chini, bunny, something like some number will be there, right? Now you require to choose. Okay, something like it is body, sir. Okay, I don't want to type anything. 2019 elections. Here just 2019 elections. Okay, something like yard post. Okay, like it is the publisher post only. Tags Modi, comma Shah, Amit Shah. Okay, Rahul. Next Babu. Next Naidu front. Something like, okay, like I'm taking Naidu front, something like save. Okay, now perfect saved, sir. Now I have one small doubt. Now total how many posts are there? Now total how many posts are there? 7. Automatically should be the total number of posts should be upgraded to 7. Mandatory. Latest post should become this post. Whatever post we publish, latest itself is that. Let me cross check. Is our application is working properly or not? Yes, if I refresh this one, the number should be 7 and the first latest post will become 2019 politics. Let me consider. 100% pakka. 7 2019 India elections. Correct, right? So top 4. If I click this one, then automatically it's going to come. No comments yet. Okay, like getting any doubt? Now, have you observed, right? Latest post November 13. So like Sunny, next Modi, Babu, Amit Shah, Naidu front, Rahul. So by mistake, spelling mistake, sorry. Okay, Rahul, something like this is. Do you know? Just only 30 votes. Whenever I click, then full votes by default is going to come. Any doubt? Getting right? That's all. This is about how you can able to use latest posts. Okay, well. Sir, template tag, I mean, what we call inclusion tag functionality, how you can able to implement. Now it's a very clear. Simple tag, how to define. Inclusion tag, how to define. What is the last one we require to take care? What is the last one we have to take care, sir? This part I have to explain. Can I go for that? Yeah, Saiteja, in this application, so only admin from the backend, he the responsible to upload. Maybe in the next application, maybe I will provide access to the end user. Okay, any person can able to upload something like that. Through backend only, we can able to upload the data. As I told, right, need not be full-fledged functionality. Okay, well, can I go for next level? Okay, just observe that very carefully about this one, sir. So my requirement here is, okay, just how you can use assignment tag. Assignment tag. Here just I'm taking usage of assignment tag. Usage of assignment tag to display the most commented posts. To display the most commented posts. To display the most commented posts. I want to display some. What is the way how you can able to do that? To display the most commented posts like this, sir. It's a very simple, sir. Assignment tag will perform some processing. So, and assign the value to a variable, right? Okay, so just in the context, how you can able to take, just I wanted to display the most commented posts. This is about our requirement, right? Okay, well, just let me take sir, here let me take a bit very important, sir. Observe carefully. From Django db models import count. Count is one model which is available in the Django default models, right? Count model I'm taking. Now DEF get the most commented posts. Get the most commented posts. I'm taking, sir. Get the most commented posts. Okay, like I'm taking. Get the most commented posts, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, what is the, how you can able to do that? Yes, how many get most commented posts. If you want, you can take count value also. Count is equal to 5. I'm taking, sir. Okay, no problem at all. Count is equal to 5. Okay, count is equal to 5, like this I'm taking. Now my requirement is, sir, do you know, take very special care about this one, sir. Do you know how to get the comments associated with a post? Do you know, somewhere we covered related name is equal to comments or something like that. Have you remembered, right? Have you remembered, right? In the models.py, someone here for comment related name is comments. From the post, if you want to get all its comments, then comments we can able to use, right? Comments like we can able to use. Now that knowledge I want to use, right? Very simple. Post dot objects, post dot objects dot post dot objects dot very important point I want to use. Do you know, here annotate, remember this, annotate what it means, what is going to take here is, so do you know, temporary results I want to save into a variable. Under that variable I will use in the next level. For that, annotate. Okay, total comments is equal to count of comments, count of comments, like, sir, one small thing you people should be aware. In the post dot objects, now you are getting all posts. For every post, comments are there. Can you please count those comments? Can you please count the comments? And can you please assign comments related to every post to total comments variable? That is the job of annotate. Even Shashank, you asked one time, what is the purpose of annotate? Annotate is, so in our query, yes, sir, for every post comments are there. Can you please count the comments? Can you please count the comments? Okay, that comments, okay, can you please assign, okay, to total comments. So total comments is my own variable. In the next lines or in the next continuation, happily you can use this total comments like this, right? Okay, now even for the post, how many columns are there? In that, one new column we added total comments. Based on our requirement, one new column we added. Yes, it is the related name, correct, Shashank? Okay, dot here a dot order by. Can you please order by these records based on total comments? Based on total comments. 1 minute, sir. Observe very carefully. Based on total comments. Now have a look once very carefully about this one, sir. Do you know, here observe carefully what I'm taking? I have one employee table is there, sir. Employee table is there. Okay, employee table contain enum comma ename comma isa comma e-address is there. It's a very common thing, right? Now my requirement is, can you please order all records according to ascending order, ascending order of salaries. Can you please tell? Very easy, right? Very easy. You can able to take, Sima. You can able to take very easily, right? Employee dot objects dot dot order by, or otherwise all is not required, order by order by what I have to take, sir? Okay, is maybe either greater than or minus or something like, you can able to take something like, okay, like, or otherwise minus something like. Do you know? So we are trying to order based on existing column, correct or not, Seema? We are trying to order based on existing column, correct, right? Seema Tiwari. Yes, existing column. But now my requirement is, boss, I don't want based on existing column. In this e name, number of characters are there. In this e name, number of characters are there. Number of characters are there. Now my requirement is, can you please arrange according to number of characters? According to number of characters. Now what I want to take, on fly I want to create length of name like a new column. Length of name, like I require to create a new column, and I have to arrange based on length of name, order by length of name. But now my question is, length of name is not available. Length of name is not available. If length of name we require to create, sir, annotate, okay, annotate. Here what I have to take is, okay, length of name is equal to, len of e name, something like len of e name dot order by. Are you able to understand? I created one new column, length of name by using annotate. Now order by length of name. Seema, are you able to understand? Need not be exact code to get the basic idea. All the people who are having the doubt about this annotate. Now here, which new column created? Which new column created because of this one? Which new column created because of this one? Can you please tell? Total comments. Total comments. A new column got created. Total comments. A new column by default got created because of this one. Okay. Now count comments order by total comments like. Now anyone can able to understand what is the meaning of annotate. Clear, right? Okay. Like now I got all comments. Now how many, sir? You can specify count how many you require. You can specify count how many you require, like this, right? Okay. Now just I'm taking here, very simple. Where is our, like, yes, it's a temporary only. Vaishnav, it is a temporary only. Okay, this is the function, right? Return. Okay, like I'm taking like this. Can you please observe? Return post dot objects dot annotate count of comments dot order by, like this I'm taking, sir. So I want by default ascending order. Ascending order means 1 2 3 4, but I want to display topmost minus symbol, highest number first, next highest number. That's why minus symbol we can use. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, well, now this is, but here compulsory we require to use at the rate register dot assignment underscore tag. This is assignment tag. Now do you know how you can able to use this one? That part I will take care, don't worry. Very easy, sir. Very easy. Okay, sir. Now assignment tag, like in the base.html, after display latest post, now I'm taking, so most commented posts, Are you getting? H3 most commented posts. Most commented posts like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, most commented posts. Now, what I have to take care here is, okay. Now, what is the function name? Get the most commented posts. Are you getting? Get the most commented posts. Sir, here get the most commented posts. Yes, yes, most commented posts. Most commented posts. Okay, post, like what it is doing is this template tag, okay, returns some value which will be assigned to this one. Are you getting? So what is the meaning of assignment? Sir, it is going to process something, it returns value, that return value will be assigned to this variable. This is the assignment, sir. Where assignment is going to be happen to this variable, it is going to be happen. Okay, well, now ul I'm taking, sir. Now here, do you know, for okay, for each post in most commented post, for each post in most commented post, what I have to take, sir? Can I use same thing only here? Latest post 1 2 3 whatever I took, okay, this is the same line I can take, sir. Nothing. Can you please observe that? Here li post dot title, post dot get observed URL, end of all. But only difference here is, sir, for each post in most commented posts, I'm going to display most commented posts. Okay, that's all. This is nothing will be there, sir. Yeah, just my intention is, sir, you can able to do this functionality with inclusion tag. We can able to do this functionality with the simple tag also. But my intention of using this one is how to use assignment tag. That thing also highly recommended. That is the only thing I'm doing. Clear, friends? Getting the point? Okay. Now that's all. Here, let me cross check my server is the innocent or not. Yes, it's not showing any problem. Now let me for effect it's going to display. Now the most commented post is data science career growth. Are you getting? The most commented post is data science career growth. Now let me click this one. How many comments are there? How many comments are there? 3 comments are available. Okay, well, next most 0 comments. All the remaining are 0 comments only. Okay, no problem. Top 5. Okay, data science career growth is the most commented post. Now, are you in the position to understand how to create template tag, our own template tag, and how to use our own template tags also? Beautiful functionality, man. So concept and the use case also.